In contemporary legal systems, whether based on common law or civil law and whether inspired by adversarial or inquisitorial models, is it widely assumed that a crucial part of testimonial assessment during a trial occurs through judge direct sensory perception. According to leading scholarship and jurisprudence, observing witnesses and their behavior is considered essential in evaluating their credibility. A testimony not observed is likely or would be likely to be erroneously assessed.
Cognitive psychology, however, has long warned that human beings have limited, if not virtually non-existent abilities to reliably infer a witness's sincerity or honesty based on behaviors or speech patterns. Even the act of memory recall is now understood not as a static precondition, but as a dynamic product of how questioning is conducted and the context in which it takes place.
This workshop aims to explore the historical roots, theoretical foundation, and legal implication of what is referred to in legal discourse as principle of immediacy by comparing it with insight from cognitive psychology and the broader debate on the so-called rationalist conception of evidence. The goal is to clarify the contemporary meaning of the principle, to assess whether it effectively serves the purposes of civil and criminal proceedings, and to evaluate whether its role ought to be reconsidered in the light of recent scientific and legal developments.